Hello there everyone and welcome back guys. So today guys I want to share a video with you on how I'm going to be reconditioning the rubber and plastic trim on the car. First step of this whole process is the tire and trim cleaning, or should I say deep clean, because we're going to use a strong car soap which is going to clean all the dirt out of the plastic and rubber trim, and that is the Garage Therapy Zero Decon car soap. Great car soap, does a very good job on deep cleaning pretty much all of the exterior car surfaces, and that includes plastic and rubber. Now I picked these two products here. You can obviously get away with one, but there's a reason why I picked both of these types of products, and I'll show you later on in the video why. Both of these products are just under 10 pounds. This one is, I picked it up from TK Maxx for 5 pounds. This one from Aldi, and I did a review on it and I show how it works. So this one is just about 4 pounds, I think. So just under 10 pounds. You get a good exterior plastic and rubber trim kit, so to speak, that you can use pretty much on a monthly basis. Now these products aren't that durable. Like, they probably will last you maybe a few washes before they get stripped out of the surface completely, but you can reuse them really easily again. So let's get into the video guys.
So the first step will be to pre-wash all of the exterior trim, especially the wheel arches, because they have a lot of grime on them. Now I'm using the car soap diluted 1 to 10 in this spray bottle here, and I'm using the EZ brush to work it in and do a thorough agitation. If your wheel arch is heavily soiled, a second agitation may be needed. On the upper half of the car, obviously I'm using the softer brush because I'm working very close to paint. A leaf blower really helps to get rid of the water in these trapped spots. So now the trim is dry and clean, and we're going to apply some trim dressing on this wheel arch using an aerosol can. So for these areas where there's a lot of plastic trim and it's hard to reach it, an aerosol can is better because you can do it quicker. And you can pretty much leave it as it is, so you can say it's basically a touchless approach. However, you can wipe down the area for a more matte finish if you want to. So now we're going to use the water-based product and apply it with a brush, and pretty much you can use a microfiber cloth to apply it as well. However, in these areas, in this honeycomb kind of type of plastic trim, pattern plastic trim, it's easier to work it in with a brush because you can get into all these nooks and crannies. Any brush will suffice. You can use a paintbrush as well, and I simply apply the product on the brush, work it in to get an even coverage. You can apply 2 layers if you want. However, on this plastic trim specifically, you can just get away with using 1 layer. If there's any excess product, you can simply wipe it down with a microfiber cloth. So the most difficult surface to apply the dressing on is this rubberized trim here, because it's not smooth and you may often see some places where you missed to apply the dressing on, or simply did not apply evenly. So you have to sort of wait for it to dry, buff it out, and then reapply it again. No big deal really. It just takes you a bit more time. So you might notice that I missed a little spot here on the lower part of the trim, but it's really easy to just add on whatever you missed, so it was no big deal. And also you might want to wipe down the windows afterwards to make sure there's no dressing on them. So applying a dressing on the trim will enhance the overall look of the car, also will extend the life of the material itself, and it's always worth doing if you really love your car. So thank you everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next videos.